Insulating garage doors and upgrading openers during new home construction saves energy and adds convenience right away. For best results, start by selecting insulation panels that raise the door R value to at least R10 and fit the door type so panels sit flush with the door skin and tracks. Measure the door carefully and cut panels with a sharp utility knife or tin snips so edges do not gap. Use adhesive or retention clips recommended by the door manufacturer to prevent sagging over time. Choose a belt-driven smart opener rated for the door weight to reduce noise and vibration for attached living spaces, and make sure the drive rail mounts solidly to ceiling joists using vibration isolators if needed. Install continuous compression weather seals at the bottom and parametric bulb seals along the sides and top, and add a threshold to stop drafts and water. Pay attention to a 2 to 3 mm clearance between door bottom and threshold for smooth operation. Integrate a wireless keypad and Wi-Fi bridge during installation so you can set up secure accounts, enable two-factor verification, and test remote control before drywall and trim are finished. Provide a battery backup unit sized to run several cycles during outages and test it monthly during the first year to ensure contacts and charging circuits are functioning. Common mistakes include under-insulating by using thin foam that compresses and loses R value. Fix that by using rigid panels or foil-faced insulated sections cut to fill cavities fully. People choose the wrong opener motor and then hear banging or experience premature wear. Avoid this by matching opener torque and cycle rating to door mass and balance the door before final mounting, so springs and cables are not strained. Another issue is poor door sealing causing drafts and pest entry. Solve it by inspecting the bottom seal and threshold alignment after settlement and trimming or leveling the threshold so the seal compresses evenly without dragging. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors who list services for garage door insulation and modern opener installation, and it helps contractors showcase their work and connect with homeowners. We also host a discussion community where members exchange tips, ask questions, and share photos from projects so everyone can learn from real installations.